what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I usually scan all my documents in my all-in-one printer, but the process is time consuming and I can't carry my all-in-one printer with me everywhere I go. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to scan and sign document on your iPhone. Let's get started. Open the Notepad app and then you want to compose a new note. Tap on the camera icon and select Scan Document. The camera app will open and you want to position the doc in the camera's view until you see a yellow color highlight appears over the document, and it will capture the document automatically. Once it is captured, you can either choose to capture another doc or save it. Once it is saved, you can make further changes to the document by clicking on the marker here, and you can select different stroke size for adding comments or circling. And then you also have the choice of clicking on here to rotate the document to whichever position you want it to be. And then finally, if you click here, you can actually change the color of the document itself. If you want it to be gray, black and white, or in photo. And finally, if you want to add a signature to sign the document, you want to click on the share button up here. And then you want to tap on markup. Then you want to tap on the plus sign. And then you select signature. You can either select a previous signature or you can create a new one. Let's create a new signature. So I'm just going to randomly scribble a bunch of stuff on here. And then once I'm completed, you can see that I can actually move the signature around and I can adjust the size of the signature to fit on the line. Once I'm complete, I just click done and it will save the document. You can also use the Mail app to scan documents, and for the most part the process is almost exactly the same as using the Notepad app. To get started, let's compose a new message. Click on the message box area, and on top of the keyboard here, you want to click on the less than icon or the angle bracket, and then select document scanner icon and not the camera icon. When the document is in view of the camera, the color will highlight blue and it will automatically capture it. And the remaining steps from here on will be the exact same as scanning on Notepad app. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please consider liking, subscribing, and leave a comment below. See you next time.